This 2020 Fleetwood Bounder 35P is a Class A RV. It is located in Huntsville, Alabama 35816 and is offered for sale by Bankston Motorhomes of Huntsville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Fleetwood is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 100 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2020 Fleetwood Bounder 35P is built on a Ford F-53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.